Oras na para kilalanin ang mga Foreignoys ngayong araw. Foreignoy number 1!
Hello, Dabat Girls. My name is Rahul po. I'm from India. Professionally, I'm as a student, natural bodybuilder, and a modeling po. I'm very happy to see you again po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Here's Foreignoy number 2.
Hello everyone. Hello, hola a todos. I'm Santino Guigo from Argentina and it's a very big pleasure to be here again. Salamat. Thank you.
Mga Dabarkad, sila ang mga foreigners natin mula sa India and Argentina.
Together with Be Mad, ipinakita nila ang sayaw na Dilaw.
Isa itong indie pop rock na pinasikat ng Filipino singer-songwriter na si Maki.
Mamaya makikita pa natin ang galing nila sa pagsayaw. Makikita mo yan, Alan Kay.
Pero makikita nating lahat. Pero ngayon, mapagkwentuhan muna tayo kay foreigner number 1 from India.
Dabarkads, Rahul C. from India.
Yes po.
How are you?
I'm good po. How about you?
Yeah.
I'm good also. How about you?
I'm good. How do you pronounce your name?
Rahul, R-A-H-U-L.
Rahul.
Rahul.
Opo.
I'm Walter.
Wow.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah.
This time with W. Your Rahul is with H.
Okay po.
Rahul, we're so excited to have you back here on the EV
I'm very
stage.
happy to see you again po.
Okay ka na? Kamusta
Opo.
ka?
Okay lang
Sanay
po.
magtagalog si Raul, Ma'am Alan.
talaga?
Oo.
Opo.
Ilang taon ka na ulit dito sa Pilipinas?
8 years po.
8
Oh,
years.
8 years na.
Years.
Tama lang pala na magaling na siya magtagalog.
Opo, kasi dito na ako po nag-aral.
Ano, dito ka nag-aral.
Opo.
Tapos ngayon, anong ginagawa mo na sa
Ngayon
Pilipinas?
po, nag-model ako po, tas ang natural bodybuilding po.
Ha?
Bodybuilder din si Rahul.
Ay, ang laki din ng braso, Wally. Oh. Oh.
Ay, oo nga.
Paano yung ay?
Mas malaki yung sa'yo, friend.
Yung sa kanya sa palok lang yan, yung sa'yo mangga.
Wala.
Aray.
Pero Rahul, you've experienced a lot about our culture already.
Yes,
Pero
po.
kami, hindi pa namin, wala pa kaming masyadong alam tungkol sa India. Baka naman merong kanta o sayaw na pwede
May
kang-
dance po.
Oh,
Indian dance,
dance?
opo.
Jaiho ba to? Jaiho?
Kala Cheshma po.
Ah, okay, sige. Pakita mo nga sa
Sige,
amin.
sige, kasi Jaiho lang alam namin eh.
Oo nga, eto na. Kala Chansma. Rahul Singh from India.
Uy! It's back.
Kala Kashma.
Parang bago yung sayaw eh. Parang pa-hip-hop na rin eh.
Hindi, yung Kala Cheshma, yung kasi galing to sa Bollywood po. Sa India. Ito yung
Bollywood.
Indian dance po, opo.
Ah, sarap niya kausap, no?
Nakakatuwa sila. Kasi kahit yun sa mga pelikula nila, di ba? Yung
Correct.
action na pelikula, pagtapos sasayaw lahat.
Lagi
Musical.
talagang may dance number. Bakit? Bakit halos lahat ng movies sa India may dance number? Kahit hindi musical yung movie.
Kasi importante yung dance eh. Kasi sa Indian movies, puro dance-dance lang po. Kasi kasi important yung dance. Kung walang dance, walang movie. Ganun po.
Ganon?
Kung walang dance. Kasi, di
Puro
ba
based doon sa dance po. Kung halimbawa, kung may dance sa movie, okay lang, may dami yung kuha para. Kung walang dance, wala na.
So, mas marami ang nanonood ng movie pag may dance.
Apo.
Kaya pala yung Slumdog Millionaire.
Alam mo, Raul, dito rin dati sa Pilipinas, yung mga pelikula ng mga nila TVJ, ng mga bossing natin.
Oo.
Di ba? Pagkatapos ng pelikula, merong sayawan sa beach.
Or may
Sa beach
dream,
dapat.
or may dream sequence.
Yes.
Ganon.
Eto na, Rahul, it's time to apply your Filipino conversational skills. Pero yung safe lang, ha?
Sige po.
Nasabihin sa TV.
Yes po, Miss.
Naalala kita.
Kasama ata niya yun, tumatawa eh.
First of all po, I just wanna say sorry to everyone. Last time po nagmura ako po. I'm really sorry to the everyone, to the pupils, to Filipino, to watch me from TV, and to the host. I'm really sorry for my mistake po.
Naiintindihan naman ng mga Dabar Cats
Totoo.
lahat yun. Eto ngayon, Rahul. For your AOTD, ihahatid sa atin yan ni Binibining Ann.
Magandang araw mga Ginoo at Binibini. Ako po si Binibining Ann. Ginoong Rahul, narito ang iyong AOTD o Actingan of the Day. Ito ang iyong eksena. Nasa isang karinderya ka at may customer na naiinip at naiinis. Dahil sa tagal ng order niya, paano mo siya kakausapin para pakalmahin?
Naiintindihan mo?
Ano ba siya?
Opo.
Customer din ba siya o siya yung may-ari ng karinderya?
Siya po yung may-ari po.
Ikaw lang po, customer.
Ako lang? Ako?
Opo.
Ba't ako talaga napili mo? Pwede naman siya.
Si Walter ang customer.
Ikaw na lang, mas mareklamo kayo ate.
Opo, reklamo mo ko.
Mas reklamo ka doon ka ate.
Oh, ikaw daw customer.
Sige.
He's the customer.
Okay po.
Naiintindihan
Halika
mo yung
na.
eksena, Rahul?
Opo,
Okay.
opo.
Punta tayo dun sa karinderya mo.
Ginoong Rahul, handa ka na ba?
Handa na, andito na siya.
Are you ready?
Nasa
Yes po.
karinderya na.
Okay po. Lights, camera, action!
Ano ba naman kainan tong karinderyang to? March! March
ay.
pa ako umorder! April na!
Ay,
wala
sorry
pa.
po! Ay, sorry po! Alam ko, mag-late ka. Sorry po. Relax ka na po.
Nasaan na yung order ko? Gutom na
Ay,
gutom na ako!
wag mo nang galit po. Wag mo nang galit. Alam ko, kung gutom ka. Di ba?
Siyempre, pag nagugutom
Ay.
na, mainit na ang ulo. Masakit na yung tiyan ko.
Ay,
Gutom
sorry,
na ako.
sorry po.
Galit na ako.
Relax muna, relax muna. Wag
Paano
mo
mo
na
na-
high BP.
Paano? Shoo, quiet.
Okay po.
Oh, naririnig
Ay,
niyo?
oo,
O, so may
diba?
isa, mag-sorry sa
tingnan
inyo
din.
eh.
Ay, gutom ka. Ay,
Gutom
sorry
na.
po. Anong gusto mo po?
Umorder na ako.
Opo, pero nagluto na kami. Masarap para sa iyo.
Ay nga, tinuro ko kanina itong bopis. Gusto ko yan.
Opo.
Itong dinadaang manok. Gusto ko yan.
Nagluto sa iyo. Nagluto kami para sa iyo. Anong masarap? Masarap lang yun po.
Kaya
Sandali lang po. Bigyan mo ko 5 minutes lang.
5 minutes
Wag-
daw.
Kalma lang po.
masarap. Yung hindi na lang masarap ang order ko.
Masarap yun po. Masarap. Kalma lang po. Kalma lang. Wag mo nang galit.
Hindi, doon na lang ako kakain. Doon na lang.
Ay, wag na po. Wag na po. Wag na po.
And cut!
Na-video mo ba, main?
Na-video ko, naka-live stream ako.
I-upload mo para mag-bumiral.
Maraming salamat, Rahul Singh. Ang galing mo mag-Tagalog talaga.
Thank you po.
Alam mo kung paano papakalmahin si Walter. Thank you, Farnoy from India.
Thank you po.
Eto naman, kausapin naman natin si Forinoy number 2.
Dabagat Santino Gigo from Argentina. Oh.
Hi, everyone.
Welcome back!
Hola,
Santino.
hola.
Thank you. Very happy
Kumusta?
to be here again.
You're happy to be here
Yeah,
again.
of course. It's a
Okay.
pleasure.
What did your friends say when you won here?
My friends, they were happy for me. Everybody.
They're happy.
Yeah.
Very
all,
good.
all my family could watch me on YouTube.
Oh,
on
really?
Argentina. Yeah.
What did they
Yeah.
tell you?
They didn't understand any English, but they were happy anyways.
You should give them a shout out.
Yeah, I should send them the translation of the whole thing.
You greet them in your language. Español.
They'll be able to
Hola a
watch
toda
this.
mi familia en Argentina, espero que me estén pudiendo ver y que estén todos muy bien en este momento. Also, they are sleeping right now. It's midnight in Argentina.
Oh, you can always tape
Yeah.
this, record this.
Yes, they can watch this on
No,
YouTube.
What did you say? What did you say to them?
I told them that I hope they're doing very well and that they can watch me.
Okay?
I hope that they can watch me and they are doing very well back in Argentina and that I miss them. all
You're
of
from
them.
Buenos Aires.
No, it's like 3 hours away from Buenos Aires.
Oh, really? What's the name of your
Yeah.
place?
Rosario.
Rosario,
Yes.
Oh,
Argentina.
that's that's very far. But 3
Yeah.
hours away from here. Rosario, Cavite.
Ay,
Yeah.
iba yun. Mali, pamalan.
Heard of the place, Rosario,
It's a
Cavite?
little bit more far away, but yeah.
Here in the Philippines, where do you stay?
Around here in Mandaluyong.
In Manila.
Dito lang sa
Around here lang.
In Manila.
Yeah, in
Please refresh our minds. How long have you been here in Manila, Santino?
6 months already.
6 months.
Yes.
And what have you been doing here?
Working mostly as a model.
As a model.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So usually commercial shoots or fashion shows.
Okay.
You know what? We don't know much about Argentina. Is there something that you'd like to share about your country and your culture?
Well, I would say that what I found here is that people is just as nice and friendly as it's in Argentina. So
And
I'm
they're
happy
crazy
to-
about football.
They are very crazy about not only football but any sport that is played by a team.
Yeah.
That they go crazy
Ball
about
games.
all that. Yeah, ball
Because you
games
have a very
mostly.
good volleyball, national volleyball
Yeah,
team
also, yes. So
Yeah.
people go crazy about anything. Anything is a reason to celebrate.
So, kaya
Same
pala parang,
here.
kaya nagustuhan niya rin dito. Are you single?
No, I have a girlfriend.
Me too.
Oh, parang na-hurt ka, friend.
Broken-hearted. Na-broken-hearted si Wally.
Inaalam ko para sa'yo.
Chusera ka. He has a girlfriend. Is she here?
No, she's from Argentina.
Very good.
Yeah.
But Santino, have you learned any Tagalog words? Do you know how
not
to
really.
speak Tagalog?
Not really. I have
Oh.
not. Very bad from me. I should have.
Okay.
Six months pa lang naman kasi.
6
Yeah.
months. But
Yeah.
well, it's time to dive into Filipino language and it's time to show your acting skills.
Okay, let's go.
Eto na, for the acting of the day, here's Binibining Ann.
Magandang araw po, Ginoong Santino. Para sa iyong AOTD o Actingan of the Day, ito ang iyong eksena. Nahuli ka sa trabaho at pagdating mo, kakatapos lang ng meeting. Paano ka hihingi ng paumanhin sa boss mo? In English, you're late for work and by the time you arrive, the meeting has just ended. How will you apologize to your boss?
He is the boss.
Yeah.
Walter is the boss.
He is the boss. In Japanese, Sacho.
Hindi pa nga ako kumakain, no? Wala yung order ko sa karinderya, tapos boss na agad.
Na-promote ka agad.
Ayaw mo nun, promoted ka.
Sige.
O, halika na.
Are
Let's
you
go,
ready,
bro.
Ginoong Santino?
This is the office. So the boss, here. So
Please
the
stay in
boss
the middle,
should
boss.
sit there.
Ano ko pupunta dyan?
Okay.
Basta stay in the middle because you're the boss.
Santino, please try to speak in our language as best as you can. Good luck. You can do this.
Lights, camera, action!
Oh, hi, boss.
Oh, Santino! You are late again! The meeting has ended!
but-
The meeting is adjourned!
No. You'll understand. You'll understand.
No,
that
why are you late again? So,
You know, traffic is crazy here in the
you
Philippines.
should
always.
wake up
It's a-
early!
No, boss.
You know,
boss,
the
boss,
meeting
please,
has
please.
started very important.
But how was it? Was it good?
It is good, but it's not good because you are not in the meeting.
But if it went good, you didn't need me, really.
You
So it
are
went fine.
really badly needed in the meeting, and then you are late. Do you still love your work?
No, boss. Sorry.
Gusto mo ba yung trabaho mo? Mahal mo ba ang trabaho mo?
Sorry po.
Ha? Ang tagal-tagal ka namin inintay. Kahapon, natulog
But you-
na kami dyan sa opisina.
You know the traffic here, and I'm very far away.
Saan ka ba galing?
That's the only issue.
Saan ka galing?
I was coming here. That's it. Sa bahay.
Bahay?
Yeah.
Yung bahay mo na doon sa may kanto?
It just was late because the traffic and all that.
Ano ba?
No.
Bakit ka ba sa traffic? Lalakarin mo lang, oh.
Well, sorry. Pasensya.
Anong pasensya?
I'm sorry. And it won't happen again. It will not happen again.
Oh, tama yan.
I'll
It
be
will
more
not
prepared
happen
next
again
time.
because from now on, you are fired.
Please, I really need this.
No,
I
you
swear
are
it's
fired.
not gonna happen again.
No, you take his position.
And cut! Grabe
Thank
naman,
you,
boss.
Santino Gigo, our foreigner from Argentina. Thank you.
Thank you,
Muchas
Santino.
gracias.
talento, passion at pusong Pinoy. Yan ang tatak ng ating
Ba't parang
mga
karakter
Oo
ka pala?
nga, parang mainit pa rin ulo.
kasi nga gutom.
At ngayong araw, mas nakilala natin ang mga foreigners mula sa India at Argentina.
At mula sa kanilang performances hanggang sa experiences, ramdam natin kung gaano nila niyakap ang ating kultura.
Correct. Kaya ang mananalang semifinalist ay mag-uuwi ng 20,000
Wow!
pesos.
Let's call back our Foreignoys for today.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko Sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan
Foreigner number 1 from India, Rahul Singh.
Ako, bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata ang mundo ay
And Foreignoy number 2 from Argentina, Santino Vigo.
Alamin na natin kung sino foreigner ang nagpabilib sa ating mga kababayan today.
1 or 2, Team Studio! Boss, ikaw na boss kaya.
Ikaw na, boss! Nanginginig ka.
Ikaw na. Nakikinig ako eh. Sino?
Our Foreignoy, the FAM Invasion winner for today is... Foreignoy number 2, Santino Guillo from Argentina.
Congratulations!